I just wasted 247 hours and tested 43 different free AI tools so you don't have to. And honestly, 39 of them were complete garbage. But the 4 that actually worked saved me 18 hours last week alone. And one of them, the third one I'm going to show you, is so stupidly powerful that I almost didn't include it because I wanted to keep it to myself. I'm not even joking. If you want the full breakdown with zero BS, subscribe right now because I'm about to expose exactly which free AI tools are worth your time in 2026 and which ones are just stealing your data. Look, here's the truth. You're drowning in AI tool recommendations. Every YouTube video, every Twitter thread, every LinkedIn post is screaming about the next revolutionary AI tool. And you've probably tried a bunch of them, downloaded the apps, created the accounts, got excited for like 2 days. Then what? You're back to your old workflow because most of these tools are either limited, confusing, or they hit you with a paywall after 3 uses. I felt this exact pain. I'm a content creator, I run a business, and I was spending 12-hour days on tasks that should take 3 hours. I knew AI was supposed to fix this, but I didn't know which tools were actually legit. So I did something crazy. For 30 days straight, I tested every single free AI tool that came across my feed. Every single one. I set up a simple test. Each tool had to save me at least 2 hours per week, cost absolutely $0, and actually work without constant bugs or limitations. Here's where it gets really interesting. Out of 43 tools, only 4 passed. But these 4, they're absolute game changers. Tool number 1, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Now I know what you're thinking. Another ChatGPT clone. Wrong. I spent 6 hours comparing these side by side. And Gemini absolutely destroyed ChatGPT at research tasks. I'm talking about pulling real-time data, citing actual sources, and doing it 3x faster. The free tier gives you unlimited messages. Unlimited. I processed 340 queries last week and didn't pay a cent. I use it every single morning for market research and content ideation. Tool number 2, Runway Gen 4. This is for video generation and it's genuinely insane. The free version gives you 125 credits per month, which equals about 25 seconds of AI video. Sounds small, right? But here's the trick. I use those 25 seconds for B-roll and transitions. Last Tuesday, I needed a shot of a futuristic city. Would have cost me $200 to hire someone or 4 hours to film and edit stock footage. This took 90 seconds. The quality? I showed it to my editor, and he couldn't tell it was AI until I zoomed in on the fine details. Wait, this next part genuinely surprised me. Tool number 3, Notebook LM by Google. This is the one I almost kept secret. It turns any document, PDF, or website into a podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts. For free. Completely free. I uploaded my 47-page business plan, and it created a 12-minute podcast breaking down the key points in casual conversation. I listened to it on my drive and found 3 gaps in my strategy I'd completely missed. I've used this for research papers, competitor analysis, and even turning my own blog posts into audio content. 0 limits on the free tier. I'm not exaggerating when I say this saved me 8 hours last week alone. Smash that like button if this is already saving you time. Tool number 4, Cursor AI. This is for coding, but even if you're not a developer, listen up. This thing writes entire applications for you. The free tier gives you 2,000 AI completions per month. I built a custom Chrome extension in 23 minutes with 0 coding experience. Just told the AI what I wanted in plain English. I need an extension that saves Instagram posts to Notion. Boom. Done. I tested this against GitHub Copilot, and honestly, for simple projects, Cursor is better, and it's free. Let me give you real numbers from my 30-day test. Week 1, I was skeptical. Saved maybe 4 hours total. Week 2, once I learned the workflows, 11 hours saved. Week 3, 15 hours saved. Week 4, 18 hours saved. That's 48 hours in 1 month. 2 entire days back in my life for $0. I tracked everything in a spreadsheet. Which tasks, how long they used to take, how long they take now. The average time reduction across all tasks was 64%. I almost missed this completely, but the real magic happens when you combine these tools. Use Notebook LM to understand a topic, Gemini to research specifics, Runway to create visuals, and Cursor to build tools around your workflow. Here's my brutally honest take. Most AI tools in 2026 are either overhyped, overpriced, or overcomplicated. But these 4, they're the real deal. Are they perfect? No. Gemini occasionally gives outdated info. Runway's 25 seconds goes fast. Notebook LM sometimes misses nuance. Cursor can write buggy code. But for free tools, this is as good as it gets right now. The biggest lesson from 30 days of testing, you don't need 43 AI tools. You need the right 4. and you need to actually learn how to use them properly. If this video saved you from wasting dozens of hours testing garbage AI tools, subscribe because I'm testing AI tools every single month and exposing the truth. And here's my question for you. Drop a comment with what AI tool you want me to test next. I read every single one, and your suggestion might be next month's video. Now, go actually use these tools instead of just watching videos about them. I'll see you in the next one.